I just need that next certification. I need that next course. That will help me to be really feel good about myself, and then I will put my stuff out in the world. You hear people who do that all the time, right? And they get caught up in this loop of thinking, I need another training, I need another certification. And when we look back on our path, we realize that, like, hey, if you'd have just dove in, just let it be messy, let it be awkward, you'd actually propel yourself along a little further. Take the courses, yes, but not because you need them. You need to get out, you need to get going. We know this. Okay, so here's where we tie it in, because as you're ramping up your business, there's another one of these little hitches that comes along that's very similar to that one that you had to get over in the beginning. And that is, as you've reached a certain amount of success, there's this fear of having it all crumble in order to take the next step, right? And so diving in and being willing to lose in order to be able to ramp it up where you want it, what your dream is, what your goal is going to require you to surrender to letting go and being willing to have that possibility of it all going wrong, because we need that beginner's mindset to dive in again. Be willing to do it messy, be willing to do it awkward at every single up level. I'm Dana Ferrant, and this is your Badass Business Mindset.